What if you could take a few simple steps in 2025 to change the rest of your financial future? The truth is, you don't need to be a Wall Street expert or have thousands of dollars. You just need a strategy and the courage to start. In this video, we'll break down the smartest beginner investing strategies for 2025. These are low-risk, high-clarity steps that are working right now and will work for you. So whether you're 18 or 38, this is your blueprint. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you're serious about building wealth in 2025. Subscribe for weekly videos that simplify money and investing, step by step. Let's begin. Section 1, the mindset shift. The first thing you need, a mindset shift. Most people think investing is about picking the next big stock. It's not. It's about ownership. You're not just saving money, you're buying pieces of companies, real estate, or even digital assets. When you invest, you stop working only for money and start letting money work for you. If you treat every dollar like an employee, investing is how you make your money show up to work every day without you doing anything. Section 2, start with an emergency fund. Before investing, build your foundation. Step 1, emergency fund. You should have at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Why? Because investing without a safety net is like driving without brakes. Look for online banks offering 4 to 5% APY in 2025. That's money just for being prepared. Section 3, use tax-advantaged accounts. Next up, use accounts that give you free tax benefits, 401k or 403b. If your job offers a match, take it. It's free money. Roth IRA. This is a game changer. You invest after-tax dollars, but your money grows tax-free, and you pay zero tax when you retire. In 2025, the Roth IRA limit is $7,000 if you re under 50. That's $7,000 you can grow for decades, tax-free. Section 4, the power of index funds. You don't need to pick individual stocks. The smartest beginners in 2025 are investing in index funds. Why? Because they're low-cost, well-diversified, and they track the entire market. The most popular one, S&P 500 Index Fund. It gives you exposure to 500 of the biggest U.S. companies. Over the last 30 years, the average return has been around 10% per year. That's the power of compound interest. Section 5, dollar cost averaging. Timing the market is a trap. Instead, use dollar cost averaging. That means investing a fixed amount every week or month, no matter what the market is doing. Why? Because it takes emotions out of the equation. You buy when prices are high and low, which averages out your cost and reduces risk. In 2025, set up automatic contributions to your Roth IRA or brokerage account. Make investing as routine as brushing your teeth. Section 6, use a robo-advisor or DIY app. Not sure how to pick funds? Use a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. They'll create a portfolio based on your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. Prefer more control? Use DIY apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. They now offer fractional shares, meaning you can invest with as little as $5. You don't need to be rich to get started. Section 7, avoid these beginner mistakes. Let's talk mistakes to avoid. Chasing hot stocks, timing the market, following social media hype, putting all your money into crypto or one company, investing before you've paid off high-interest debt. Stay boring. Stay consistent. That's how millionaires are made. Conclusion: small steps, big results. The truth is, no one gets rich overnight. But in 2025, anyone, yes, even you, can start investing smartly. Start small. Stay consistent. Use the tools that work. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance tips every week. And comment below, what's your 2025 investing goal? You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Let's build wealth together.